just comfortable, get out of that comfort zone, because you will never grow being in a comfort zone. You want to grow. You want to prosper. You want to do everything that you want to do in life. You want that. And if you want those things, go after it. Go after it. Do not sit on it. Go after everything that you want in your heart. Go after it. And just get those negative people out of your life. You got some negative friends. You got some negative family members. Block them. Get them out of your life. I don't care if they're family members. If they're going to be negative and they're going to bring toxic in your life, you do not need them, because you want to go higher. You want to be somebody. And some people are holding you back, don't let them hold you back. So I wanted to basically give you guys that quick tip and basically encourage you guys, empower you guys to that you can do it. You can succeed, and you can definitely make a difference. Thank you. And do not oh, thank you so much. And you guys, if you guys want to be a part of something, stop procrastinating, you guys. Stop procrastinating. Stop it, because all you doing is hurting yourself. You're not hurting me, you're hurting yourself. So why procrastinate? Don't procrastinate, you guys. If you guys want something and you guys see it, jump right in and go after it. All you need is faith. You need faith. You need to have that faith and believe that you can do it. So I just want to tell you guys that I jumped out on faith. And guess what? When I jumped out on faith, things are happening in my life. Things are beginning to change in my life. And I am excited about it, and I can't wait to see you guys at the top. I swear, like, when you guys, oh my gosh, I just can't wait. So I just want to encourage you guys that. I just wanted to tell you guys that, give you guys some advice, and just be strong. Be strong. I know it gets hard. I know it gets challenging. I know you have rocky roads. I know you're going through personal problems, but just stay strong. Thank you. Thank you so much. You're so welcome, you guys. I just wanted to empower you guys. I just wanted to empower you as women that we can do. And you know, we are very emotional creatures. We get very